everyone, today we're going to be playing a game called I Spy. This is a great game because this is a game that my students love to play. So you can see that I have a big fly swatter, and I created a board with my students in class, and what we did was we wrote all the numbers down. You can either, and it doesn't have to be cardboard, it can be paper, big poster board, whatever is available to you that makes it easy for you. What we did here is we took stickers with different numbers. You can have your child practice writing numbers together and write the numbers 1 through 20, 1 through 30, and you keep going up as they get comfortable with recognizing different numerals. Here you'll notice that I have different shapes around the numbers. One of the reasons for that is we were all practicing, besides just number counting, we were also practicing different shapes and recognizing the different shapes. So you'll notice here around the number 10 we have a circle. So let's say your child gets stuck and they're not sure if that's the number 10, if that's the number 11. You can give them a hint and show them the card number with the number 10 and say, a hint has a circle around it so you're helping them find the number but without giving them the number itself. So the way this game works is if your child is not comfortable with shapes, you can also use colors. So it's another great thing. All the numbers on here are one color, which is black, but when you create this at home, you can do different colors. So let's say I get the number 1. And if you want to also practice colors with your child, you can make the number 1 the same color that you wrote the number 1 on your card. So the number 1 here is green, and you can have green on here for number 1. And let's say they say, "Mom, Dad, I can't find it." Say, "Hint, the number 1 is the color green." And then you have them take their fly swatter and say 1 and hit the board. And you keep going. So let's say the next number that I picked is the number 4. Can you find the number 4? And then they would do it again. Hit lightly. Now, when you're doing this, you might be worried. Are they going to hit something? Please explain to them, hit lightly. Don't watch what you're hitting. You don't need to hit really hard. And make sure there's space around that there isn't a risk of knocking something down. So I hope you enjoy this activity, and this is something that you feel that you can use and enjoy doing with your child at home. Thank you very much for your time, and have a good night.